Okay. Ignore. Help me, I'm lagging. Help me. And try like. No, bro. Let me just. Help me. I'm freaking. I'm lagging. I'm sure just like room is. Oh no, not this person. I'm trying to protect her. No way. Oh. Try to run away. Stop! Stop stabbing me. And now she's like killing me when I just joined it. Okay. Never mind, it's just a PvP game. Stop. Stop, I'm lagging. Did it. Let me just like drink blocks of cola. Just like, Oh my god, bro, please. Since she was like trying to go in and be infected. Like, no way, dude. I'm lagging though. I literally have McDonald's Wi-Fi. Wait, let me check in settings. Where the heck is settings? Game setting? Okay, I need footsteps. Camera animation. High player now. Remove skins effects. Oh, what? What the fuck? Check my username real quick. Ignore my username because it was actually. Sorry, and I just like. Sorry, I was sick. I like ate tons of ice creams. Yeah, I just ate tons of ice creams. Anyways. Dude. Help! Dude, there's so many slime puns. Nah, dude. I'm just like trying to grind and they're like these. Wait, did I got rare? I haven't got rare. Ah. I have one in my inventory. This is what we do. Remove it. Just like sell it, but because dude, why everyone is so small and the there's so many like attractions there. You know what? I'm gonna see what diamond looks like. Like in my phone, but I don't know what it looks like. So stop giving me the aqua and give me something already. Who is doing that too? Okay then. Okay. I aim for the strike, you know. Stop giving me aqua, I said. Give me gold, and I want to see what it looks like when you're lagging. See what it looks like. Oh, I haven't discovered all of the Gutraxians. Wait. Let me just see if I discover all. Nope, I didn't. I only discovered Slime Pop. I need to discover all of them now. So next up is Kaiju. I need to infect it 5 times. Seriously, camping? Ugh. Me Let's see. I ain't doing no that. Just hit that. Should give me luck. Oh, dude. Give me. Don't. It was a gold? Wait, no. Wait a second. Is that a gold? Bro, I saw a gold. Bro, what the heck is the gold? I just literally saw a spark. I knew it. It was gold. People are in the game. They're gonna hit. Protectors. Just help me. I'm lagging. I can't see. Gold died. Gold just died. Gold just died already, okay? Please suck. Oh, congrats on the kill. Congrats. And congrats to the people who got the golden weapons too. And congrats to the person who got killed. Oh, don't give me. If I got rare, I will play God's will. Oh my God, dude! Oh, this thing you literally gave me a science slime hunt. I really wanted to play God's will. Oh wait, never mind. I'm just lagging though. Stop giving me science and give me diamond. Diamond being so I don't want to. No, but give me. You know what? I'm gonna discover all. Oh no, never mind. I won't. Gold. Where is it? Where the heck is it? VIP, stop saying VIP and go to something else. Bro, what the heck is another gold? Where the heck is another gold, dude? Good luck. Rush. She's a Russian. I just killed her. I'm gonna kill her. Oh my god, bro. Perfect. Direct kill. Nice. I got the direct kill. Sorry, I was a mosquito on my hand. Bro, where the heck is Diamond? Oh, wait a second. I know what I do. I think it's hiding in the grasses. Or it's not, or it's cat. Or it might be candy. Or there's something called planted that I planted, dude. Okay. Is it? No! Another gold, just wait. There's a gold? There's a gold. There was a gold. Now there is a gold? Dude, what? But where is it? Where is it? Tell me, where is it? Or am I hiding in the labs? Or it's like tank, or it's like a fake. It's a cap one. Wait. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Oh, many people are just going. Is that? It's like flat. It's like full now. What the fuck? Oh, sorry. I mean fudge. Where the fudge is? Dang dealer. Damage dealer. I thought it was dang dealer, not damage dealer. Oh, dude. I can't see correctly. By the way, if I die as rare, I'll end the vid. I'm lazy. I really wanted to post vids of me playing. There. Please don't mind the username. It was actually a long time ago. Please. Okay, everyone, I will end the video. I'm just like wait. Bye bye, everyone. We'll see you soon. Okay.